Hello everybody, let us look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on positive note today, however couldn't sustain there and ultimately suffered sharp sell-off and posted a negative daily close. This has happened for the second consecutive day. Yesterday also the same phenomena occurred. So this shows that bears are still having upper hand in the market, and the trend for Nifty continues to be on the downside. It has retraced 78.6% of the entire previous rally, that is around 5680, and has posted a close there. However, it can stretch a little further till 5600 mark, which will be a crucial support to watch out for. On the other hand, 5820, 5850 is a strong resistance zone for Nifty. Any bounce is likely to face resistance in that region, and from where Nifty can once again start falling down. The daily momentum indicator continues to be in favor of bears, which suggests further downside potential. Moving on to hourly chart, we can see that Nifty has been falling down since the breakdown from ending diagonal pattern as well as rising trend line breakdown. And on the way down, it has been facing resistances near crucial hourly moving averages on the occasions of minor degree bounces. Even this time, it has faced resistance there, and from there, it has started falling down once again. It has formed a triangular pattern on the hourly chart and has broken out on the downside. The hourly momentum indicator has given a fresh sell signal. So 5600 will be a crucial level to watch out for from short-term perspective. Moving on to Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty has also been tumbling down since last several weeks. It formed a bearish flag pattern in between and broke out on the downside, and since then it is attempting to form an impulse on the downside. Yesterday's positive close was nothing but a fourth wave pullback, and again in today's session it has resumed with the larger downtrend in order to form fifth leg on the downside, which would attain the equality target on the downside, which is around 9800. Crucial supports to watch out for are 9900 and 9710, and crucial resistances are 10282 and 10580. Now we'll have a look at a couple of stocks which are having bearish setup from short-term perspective. The first one is Bajaj Auto. The stock has been moving up in a channelized manner. However, in today's session, it has broken lower end of the channel. It is still trading near its crucial daily moving averages. However, overall trade setup suggests that the stock has a high probability to break down and can fall down towards its recent low. The daily momentum indicator has already given a sell signal. Crucial supports are 1857 and 1760, and crucial resistances are 1940 and 1990. The next one is SDFC Limited. SDFC Limited has been falling down, and in terms of price pattern, it has taken form of a bearish triangular pattern, which is a running triangular pattern. And in today's session, the last leg of the pattern is over, and the stock is now about to break out on the downside. On the higher side, it is facing resistance from crucial daily moving averages. So upside looks very limited from current level, whereas on the downside, the stock can attain equality target, which is the pattern target. So the stock has considerable downside potential from current level. Crucial supports are 785 and 750. The crucial resistances are 818 and 832. Thank you.